The Forever Marketing Plan has several different levels to help you achieve your goals. The first important level to understand is called Assistant Supervisor. You become an Assistant Supervisor by purchasing 2 case credits of product over 2 consecutive months. Many people become Assistant Supervisors with their very first purchase. Assistant Supervisors receive a 35% discount on product. This means that any product sold to retail customers earns a 35% profit. Assistant Supervisors are also able to begin sponsoring other people into the business and building a team. All bonuses and discounts are based on retail pricing, regardless of your level in the marketing plan, ensuring that you always receive the maximum profit as you build your business. The Forever Marketing Plan was built on the principle of rewarding people for their hard work. The more you do, the more you earn. Share your favorite products and the Forever opportunity to reach the next level in the marketing plan and continue to grow your business.